This tote is a little bit of a mess, so I thought I would take some time today and sort through everything and get it organized. Normally what I have in this tote is just my power strips and my extension cords. As I've been coming across all of my light cords, I've just been piling them on top of the extension cords and power strips. So then when I go to look for a cord that might have 2 bulbs or 6 bulbs, I'm sorting through all this in order to find that. So I'm kind of wasting some of my time. So what I'm going to do is sort through this pile and make individual piles. So right now I've got a pile of 1 bulb cords going and the start of a pile for 3 bulbs. All right, all the cords are in piles. I like to secure my cords with pipe cleaners, so I'll take 1 pipe cleaner, cut it in half, and then I'm able to wrap 2 different cords. So in front of the piles is the designated color of pipe cleaner that's going to go with that cord. So the single bulb cord is going to get this light tan color. I don't have any 2 bulbs cords out right now, but when I do come across those, I'll use red. My 3 bulb cord is going to get pink. I don't know if I have any 4, but if I do, that'll get a purple. And then my 5 is going to get yellow, and my 6 cord, or my 6 bulb cord, is going to get white. So this is going to make it a lot easier for myself when I'm looking for a certain cord with so many bulbs. And I made a master list. It took me about 30 minutes to get all the cords wrapped according to their pipe cleaner color. I have some extra pipe cleaners that I'll put in the tote, so when I come across any more of the light cords, I can wrap them according to their color, and I'll add my master list in there as well. I also took a minute to wrap all of the power strips and electric cords that I had left in that tote with black pipe cleaner, so I'll have to write that on my master list. So this should help me be a little bit more organized when I'm looking for my light cords.